Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today we are going to be swatching the Mcgrath Labs Celestial Odyssey Luxe Quad. And I've just swatched the Voyeuristic Vixen one, so that one will go up first. And I got these in the Black Friday sale, so that's that one. I don't know which one came out first. I've got a feeling that this one came out later than this one. I mean, you guys can let me know in the comments down below if you're a huge Mcgrath fan. Anyway, this is the colour story to this one. Again, I'm not 100% sure I'm going to get a lot of use out of this, but the shimmers, the rest of the shimmers, I think I will. This shade here is absolutely beautiful. You can see I've swatched it. I swatched it Christmas Eve. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. So this one is the duochrome, just like we had a duochrome in the Voyeuristic Vixen one. So top row, Golden Aurora. So this is this one. They're really smooth, guys, really smooth. Do another swatch of that. That's Golden Aurora. Right, and then we have Rose Nocturne. I wouldn't say it's rose, it's more cranberry. Now that's a shade that I would normally steer away from. I mean, I will try it when I use the palette, of course I'm going to try it. But I feel like that's too dark. I mean, they couldn't really put another matte in as well as that one. I mean, it's staying my finger as well. They couldn't really put another one in, but I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with this colour story when I come to use it. Then we've got this shade here, and that's the duochrome, I think. That one's called Alien Moon. That is just beautiful. Probably use that first. Right, so it's kind of like got a brown undertone, a brown plummy undertone. So I guess now I know why they put that one in, because it kind of goes with that shade there. And then Dawn Fantasia is the next one, and that's like a copper. That's really pretty. Yeah, I'm not mad at either palette. I think they're both beautiful palettes for different reasons. This one's slightly grungier in my opinion, just because of these two shades here. You could definitely as well, if you used a different palette, you could definitely get a daytime look out of it by using these two shades. You just need to have a more neutral crease shade than that. But yeah, I feel like it is a beautiful palette. So this is the colour story. They're the swatches. Let me know if you've got either one of these palettes. So again, this one is called the Celestial Odyssey Luxe Quad, and then this one is called the Voyeuristic Vixen. Thank you again for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to let me know, guys, which one you'd like to see me use first. And whichever one you want to see the most, I will use that one first. I'm going to be using both of them, but it'd be nice for you to decide which one you want me to use. So yeah, just leave me a comment down below. So guys, this concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.